Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today is day 9 for the Beautymas series here on my YouTube channel. And today is episode 6 for my top 5 favorite beauty products. So we're going to be talking all about eye creams today. Now, I actually only have 3 eye creams to talk about today because I haven't dived into a lot of eye creams, even though I really should. I'm definitely going to get more eye creams and get familiar with some of them, and I can do like a future skincare favorites video. So in the number 3 spot, we have the Jafra Royal Jelly Revitalize Longevity Eye Cream. This one is almost out. I love this eye cream. It's amazing. It's so good. And I do only use this one at night. In the 2nd spot, this is a little bit newer to me. This is the ITK Smoothing Under Eye Stick, and I like to use this one for skin prep. I don't usually use it when I'm doing my skincare at nighttime. I only use it for skin prep. It's so nice. In the number 1 spot is the ITK Day Plus Night Eye Cream Duo. On one side it has the daytime side and the other it has the nighttime side. I love products like this that have both the nighttime and the daytime product in it. It's so cool. So that was all of my favorite eye creams. See you guys tomorrow for day 10. Bye!